Every animal needs somewhere to live, but few are as deliberate about their choice of home as the weaver bird. Acting as both architect and builder, the male weaver bird constructs an intricate hanging nest by weaving together bits of grass and reed. This is how he hopes to attract a mate, so the location is as important as the build quality. And, if he's ever stuck for inspiration, he can always let himself into a neighbour's home to get fresh design ideas. It's often nice to live near friends for socialising, but at the end of the day, all is fair in love and war. This means that sometimes it's easier to just destroy a rival's efforts rather than outbuilding him. And if you're still not ready to present your handiwork, you can always choose to fly away and simply pretend that it isn't yours.